that there is a CCTV footage that was accessed by Times Now that showed Mihir right outside a pub. Now, Times Now has been able to speak to the pub owner there, and he claims that Mihir did not consume liquor. He also says that he perhaps consumed an energy drink. He came along with his friends and they later left in a Mercedes, is what we are learning. Let's listen in to what we've just heard from the pub owner.
सर ध्रुव करके गेस्ट ने बुकिंग किया था, वो हमारे यहाँ पे रेगुलर आता है। सबका आईडी चेक हुआ, उनके आईडीज अपन ने दे भी दिए हैं, ठीक है। जितना सर हमको आइडिया है, ये 11:08 को ये 4 लोगों का ग्रुप आया था। वो लोग बैठे थे, वो लोग ने खाना खाया, ड्रिंक किया एंड 11:14 को बिल पेमेंट ख़त्म कर दिया था एंड 11:26 को देवर आउट ऑफ द प्रीमाइसेस, ठीक है। जो लड़का मिहिर बोला जा रहा है उसने ड्रिंक भी नहीं किया है, खाली रेड बुल लिया है, ठीक है। वो डिटेल्स सीसीटीवी में पुलिस भी चेक कर रही है, उनके पास सारी डिटेल्स है और हमारे यहाँ से कोई इसका लेना नहीं है।
कितने लोग
सर ये आए थे मर्सिडीज गाड़ी में, एक्सीडेंट हुआ है BMW, जब गए भी थे तभी भी मर्सिडीज गाड़ी थी। तो हमारे यहाँ से गाड़ी, ड्राइवर, चालक किसी का कोई संबंध नहीं है। ये खाली दूसरे सब जो पॉलिटिकल चीज़ की वजह से एक रेस्टोरेंट ओनर को या हम रेस्टोरेंट को कंसिडर कर रहा है। एज़ पर लॉ, एज़ पर नॉर्म्स हमने सब किया है और कुछ भी इसमें आउट नहीं।
टोटल कितने लोग आए थे?
4 लोग आए।
उसमें कोई लेडीज भी शामिल थे?
नहीं, कोई भी नहीं था सर।
और आए थे मर्सिडीज से, लेकिन घटना BMW में हुई है।
हाँ,
यहाँ पे BMW थी क्या?
नहीं, खाली मर्सिडीज
गाड़ी मिली है, क्या क्या हुआ?
सर ध्रुव करके गेस्ट ने बुकिंग किया था, वो हमारे यहाँ पे रेगुलर आता है। सबका आईडी चेक हुआ, उनके आईडीज अपन ने दे भी दिए हैं, ठीक है। जितना सर हमको आइडिया है, ये 11:08 को ये 4 लोगों का ग्रुप आया था। वो लोग बैठे थे, वो लोग ने खाना खाया, ड्रिंक किया एंड 11:14 को बिल पेमेंट ख़त्म कर दिया था एंड 11:26 को देवर आउट ऑफ द प्रीमाइसेस, ठीक है। जो लड़का मिहिर बोला जा रहा है उसने ड्रिंक भी नहीं किया है, खाली रेड बुल लिया है, ठीक है। वो डिटेल्स सीसीटीवी में पुलिस भी चेक कर रही है, उनके पास सारी डिटेल्स है और हमारे यहाँ से कोई इसका लेना नहीं है।
कितने लोग
सर ये आए थे मर्सिडीज गाड़ी में, एक्सीडेंट हुआ है BMW, जब गए भी थे तभी भी मर्सिडीज गाड़ी थी। तो हमारे यहाँ से गाड़ी, ड्राइवर, चालक किसी का कोई संबंध नहीं है। ये खाली दूसरे सब जो पॉलिटिकल चीज़ की वजह से एक रेस्टोरेंट ओनर को या हम रेस्टोरेंट को कंसिडर कर रहा है। एज़ पर लॉ, एज़ पर नॉर्म्स हमने सब किया है और कुछ भी इसमें आउट नहीं।
टोटल कितने?
We also have our colleague Arunil who's joining us, and he's also, remember, been tracking this story closely. Arunil, now what we've just heard from the pub owner is it's an important testimony, but the point is that if the media has been able to speak to him, get images of the pub where he was, Mihir, why has the police not been able to do this?
Well, the real question, Dipti, here is that if Mihir did not consume alcohol, wasn't under the influence of alcohol, why did he run away from the spot? This is not an accident case. This is a hit and run case. He basically rammed into the two-wheeler and then later on tried to flee from the spot and also tried to destroy the evidences. This is basically a case wherein the high and the mighty is feeling that because he has certain resources on hand, because he has political influence, because his father is from a certain political family, political party which is in power in the state of Maharashtra, he can get away with any kind of crime. But we at Times Now have been relentlessly covering all such cases, be it the Pune Porsche case as well. In that also, and why the statement from the bar owner also needs to be investigated thoroughly. The reason for that is, in Pune Porsche case, if one has to look at it, the action was initiated against the bar where the accused had consumed alcohol as well. So, is there a kind of a damage control being initiated by the bar owners? Allegedly, that also needs to be looked into. with respect to the Mumbai police's investigation is concerned, they are looking at this from all the possible angles. 6 teams basically have been speaking to the people at the Juhu bar. They've been going through the CCTV footages at the exit points of Mumbai, as well as the roads that connected to the Worli spot where the accident took place. All these things have been thoroughly looked at by the Mumbai police. But the story is not about an accident that took place. The story is about how a couple had gone to earn their livelihood. They were returning home after buying fish from the Sassoon dock, and a person who is rich, who's from a very affluent background, was allegedly driving a vehicle, and he rammed into that motorbike. The woman flung into the air, she fell into the bonnet, and the man did not even try to get out of his car. He basically tried to flee from the spot and also tried to destroy the evidences. Until now, unfortunately, that same man is absconding. Who exactly is saving them? This is what the opposition leaders basically are asking now.
And clearly to that question, we haven't seen any answers, only assurances, Arunil. But both you and I know that a lot of these are empty assurances, trying to wait for this storm to weather out, and possibly the media will stop asking questions. But there's an important facet that Arunil, remember, just has spoken about, because there is an entire CCTV footage that was accessed by Times Now. This is just about late last night. The same pub whose owner you just heard speaking to the media. Now, this is where the absconding accused Mihir Shah is seen leaving a bar with his friends late at night in Juhu. So you see him there. There are cameras capturing him. He's busy partying. He clearly does not believe he's done anything wrong. And the police says we've already formed 6 teams now to nab the accused. The Maharashtra Chief Minister is also promising a thorough and impartial investigation in the case. But we wonder who is shielding Mihir.
इसमें एक ही हमारा मकसद है, हिट एंड रन में किसी को भी बख्शा नहीं जाएगा। वो कितना भी इन्फ्लुएंस वाला हो, कोई भी हो, पॉलिटिकल हो, पैसे वाला हो, कोई भी हो, उसको बख्शा नहीं जाएगा। और ये जो मैंने पुलिस कमिश्नर जी को भी कल कहा है, ड्रंक एंड ड्राइव वाला जो ड्राइव है वो भी तेज करो, वहां पर भी तेजी से चेकिंग करो। जो भी है वहां पर कोई भी ड्रिंक करके ड्राइव न करे और ऐसे एक्सीडेंट ना हो।
So the Chief Minister is saying we are very concerned, and I've already spoken to the top cops. They are at their job. But the opposition says this is not good enough. They question the laxity of the cops. They are also questioning who and why is a long rope being given to Mihir.
एकनाथ शिंदे के लोग ऐसे फरार हो जाएंगे, एक दिन एकनाथ शिंदे भी फरार हो जाएगा। एक गुंडों की टोली सरकार चला रही है महाराष्ट्र में, और एकनाथ शिंदे क्या है पूरे देश को मालूम है, हमको भी मालूम है। अगर लॉ एंड ऑर्डर, पुलिस व्यवस्था, कानून उस राज्य में है तो मिहिर शाह को पकड़ लीजिए। उसका नाम शाह है, भूलो मत, शाह। ये भाग जाने वाले लोग हैं क्राइम करके।
शिंदे गुट के एक नेता के घर की गाड़ी है, और जिस तरह से इन्होंने हिट एंड रन किया है, मुझे लगता है कि हिट एंड रन के अगेंस्ट महाराष्ट्र सरकार ने कुछ पॉलिसी लाने की आवश्यकता है, जो सरकार ला नहीं रही। पूना में जो घटना हुई वो भी ऐसे ही था।
Let's quickly get back our colleague Arunil again. Arunil, what will happen now? In the next few hours, will we see some bit of action, considering that after a lot of this pressure, you've seen the Chief Minister again and again saying that there is going to be justice. No miscarriage of justice, he says.
Well, CM Eknath Shinde here is saying that now I have told the Mumbai top cops that you need to be vigilant about drunk driving. Our question to CM Shinde is that isn't it a rule? Why wasn't it done earlier? Why were they waiting for an innocent life to be lost, and after that they want to initiate such kind of measures? Wasn't a Pune Porsche case a kind of a prime example wherein they had said it that time that after the Pune Porsche case they had said that such kind of incidents will not be repeated? How come in only a month again one more hit and run case has transpired, and this time in the city of Mumbai. Who's going to take accountability for that as well? With respect to the investigation as well, clearly the bar owner must be saying that the accused in this case, Mihir Shah, has not consumed alcohol, and now on record it cannot be proven as well, because it's been more than 30 hours now, and if the blood test is done now, it cannot be proven via the blood test that whether alcohol was consumed by the very accused. So yes, with respect to the investigation, question marks clearly emerge over the stance of the Mumbai police. We are not saying that there is a cover-up that has been initiated, but why the accused was not nabbed. In a broad daylight, the accident has taken place. Yes, they managed to trace the car. They managed to track the father of Mihir Shah, also the driver, but why not the main accused?
All right, I think these are very important questions, and our teams, remember, are on top of that story. You've heard from the Chief Minister, you've heard from the cops, and also, like, Arunil, both you and Srushti told us that there has been an attempt to even destroy evidence, right from the nameplate to the Shiv Sena sticker. So all that, again, entails a thorough investigation. For the moment, thank you for keeping us on top of that story. And